Today we're going to be making some vegan Alfredo noodles. So we're going to start off with some salted water. And I've learned recently from a commercial at the Food Network or something like that, you need to put a lot of salt in your water. And honestly, it's not like, I don't know what it does. It like tenderizes. I don't know. Somebody that's a chef tell me what a whole bunch of salt does in noodles. I know it flavors it, but it's like it don't overpower the water, if that makes sense. I don't know. Anyways, these are the ingredients that I use. Don't at me on the vanilla milk. They didn't have just regular, original, unsweetened, but I promise you the vanilla didn't taste like nothing. So it's okay. It's okay. I put both of my cream cheeses in there, so it was about a half a cup, and I started off with some butter and just melted that down until we got like a liquidy consistency. Then I went ahead and added about a cup of Parmesan in and some heavy whipping cream as well. That was all I had left in the bottle, so it was what it was. You basically just wanted to get to that thicker kind of consistency that Alfredo is, but then I thinned it out just a little bit, and also to make a little bit more sauce with the milk. Just stirred it up, and this was on low, and I added my noodles in once they were done and stirred that around, and then that was it was like the easiest thing I've ever done. It took me like 10 minutes. And baby, when I tell you this was good, I put my meatballs from my previous video on top, and it was so creamy, so flavorful. It was just like one of the best things that I've ever ate. And your girl loves pasta, but she can't have milk. So for all of the people out there that cannot have dairy, this is the recipe for you. Try it out and tell me what you think.